Knowing how to do something will not translate in a change of life, but doing something with that which you know will make a change in life and a change in situation. There are men who profess and too proud of knowing something or possessing knowledge of something, but they never do something with that which they profess they know. Beloved, it is totally wrong and unreasonable to be proud of the knowledge you say you possess without doing something with that knowledge. For that one will not bring a change of situation, a change of life, will not bring any success in your life. And mining gold on or mine gold on the ground bring no change, except that gold is mined, processed, and sold. That can be used to change the life of people who stay in that land. Likewise, unused knowledge is useless to the possessor and the society. Therefore, don't just be proud of yourself of possessing a knowledge of something. If that knowledge is not practicalized and used to change the life of yourself and society, there are too much talkers and too much knowledge possessors who are doing nothing with the knowledge they possess, and they are therefore useless to society. Society is never changed by just possessing knowledge. Society is changed by practicalizing that knowledge. Therefore, don't be somebody who is too proud, arrogant, and self-willed with that you possess, without using that which you possess. Let us arise and do something practical with that which we say we possess than just saying it. Because our society needs those who are doers, not those who just possess and talk about it, but those who use their knowledge to change situation. In Africa and especially in Ghana, there are many who have book knowledge of a lot of things, but they can do nothing with that which they possess. How useful is that knowledge to your society and to yourself and to your family if that knowledge is not put to use? So arise out of just possessing knowledge and use that knowledge to bless others. It is only then you can become useful, and God in heaven will be proud of you, and you shall be proud of yourself because you use your knowledge